And we are rolling. Hey guys, this is your boy Silent again, bringing you another stealth tutorial video. This one is going to be how to set up your stealth. So where to begin? Okay. This is gonna be this is gonna be a step by step tutorial on going through it and setting it up correctly. I probably should have done this in the beginning. I didn't think I would have to, but I'm getting a lot of people asking me that they still don't, even after they watch videos online, they still don't seem to understand how to set these things up properly. So I'm going to do a full demonstration of what to do. I'm also going to be doing the demonstration specifically using this stealth source, these stealth source files that I've put together, cobbled together, or whatever. And if you're going to make a stealth and you just don't know what the fuck you're doing and you don't really want to care to learn that much, just use the source that I'm providing you, okay? It's full blown, it's working. I even installed the cheat engine with it as well. So I'm going to go through I'm going to show you how to configure. I'm going to show you how to configure the stealth files. I'm also going to do the demonstration, and then at the very end of this video I'm going to go through the features of what I've got in here. Okay. First thing I want to mention that before you can even remotely work with this stuff, you're going to need to download Visual Studio 2010 Ultimate and install Xbox Neighborhood, the full version. If you don't have either one of those, because you need the dev kits. You need the dev kit from Xbox Neighborhood and 2010 Ultimate Visual Studio or whatever, that allows you to unlock that. If you don't have that, you're going nowhere. You're going to fall flat on your face. And please don't ask me about installing it, like having issues with it. I'm not going to help you because there's a lot of help on YouTube and Google and out there on the internet. If you don't know how to use Google and search for help on installing Visual Studio, I don't know. There's no hope for you. I just recommend you quit quit right now. All right, so let's go into configuring a VPS. So if you don't know what you're doing, you don't know shit about VPSs, you don't know shit about I don't know, just anything in general about hosting, web hosting, just go with this source right here. Okay, go with nfoServers.com. It's really fucking cheap. It's like $12, $13 for setting one of these up. All right, you're gonna order virtual machine. You're gonna click on virtual machine. This brings it up. I use 2-core, but you can get away with 1. Or if you plan on having a shit ton, you can use a shit ton. I don't recommend it, but you can if you want, I suppose. I use 2-core, but I've got 1 set up on a single core. You can get away with this. And then you want to select Windows Server 2012 Revision 2. Okay? You want that. For anybody that's new, I'm sorry, I should have said this in the beginning. For anybody that's new, that's just now seeing this, welcome to my stealth server tutorial series. So if you don't know what you're doing, just follow along, do exactly what I do, okay? And do exactly how I have it set up. Location, it's not going to matter. It's not going to matter. Well, if you want to set it to close to you, but I've got it set to LAN or whatever. I'm not close to LAN. I'm somewhere else in the world. All right, and then install install Visual Studio or 12, and then pay your fee or whatever, and then start a new server, and then it usually takes about them like 40 minutes or so to an hour to set it up for you. It might be less. Okay, so so when you're configuring your virtual private server, there's a couple things that a lot of videos out there don't mention. They fail to mention this. The other videos that show you how to set up a stealth tutorial just shows you how to set up a stealth server. Okay, they don't tell you that you actually need to configure your virtual private server, because if you don't have your firewall up, for example, okay, it's going to make it a lot easier to hack. I've had plenty of friends who, like, I've helped them set up a stealth server, and of course they talk shit to the wrong person, and their databases get dropped. Their files get hacked. They get released to the public. Usually you'll see it on Demon forums or something. Yeah, I definitely recommend enhancing the security on these things, because when you use free open source file sources like xampp or wamp or whatever, the security on it is garbage. Well, I wouldn't say it's garbage. It's like how somebody said to me the other day. It's how you make it, how you set it up. And he's right. You can improve the security on these MySQL sources. But I'm going to show you what to do with that too. So, all right. So first thing, I already got one here. It's all set up. So first thing you want to do is we want to turn on our firewall. Let's see, firewall's off. Turn it on. Let's use recommended settings. Make this shit secure. Alright, and then the next thing we want to do is we want to open the ports. We want to open the ports that let's see, make sure I'm okay. We want to open the ports that we are going to connect to your client, which is your Xbox 360, to the stealth server. We want to make sure that port's open, and then all the ports for Xbox 360, because you want to be able to pass that through onto Xbox 360. Okay. I just wanted to make sure. Oh, hang on a minute. Let's make a text file. I wanted to check something out real quick. Let's save this. Okay, so yeah, see, firewall's up. Can't do shit. Boom. Alright, so we gotta open that shit up. Sorry for my cussing, because this video I'm making, I didn't want to make it. I really hate not liking that I have to make it, because I'm really annoyed with people that just keep asking me the same stupid shit over and over again. Sorry, I vent in my videos. I don't care. I'm here to inform you. I'm not here to explain why, to be honest. Not really. I'm doing this stuff for free. I could be doing something else with my time. You know, I had some shithead the other day. I've been getting a lot of haters lately, but I feel like I'm pissing off some people out there because I'm releasing this stuff. I'm sorry that your feelings are hurt or whatever. I don't care. This stuff needs to be talked about. But yeah, some shithead, he thought it was cute and funny. I don't know if he was a troll or if he was serious or anything, but he asked me a question. What's the point of these stealth tutorial videos? Well, dude, let me help you out, my ignorant friend. Alright? There are people out there that want to make stealth servers, okay? They find all this free crap online from people that have released it, and those people that release it don't tell them what to do, Okay, so and nobody they receive little help from them. So I'm the good Samaritan that I am. I am providing them with help. Okay, if you can't understand that, you can just fuck off. Okay, just go fuck yourself. But for those of you that do want to learn or do you want to watch me do this, thank you for your support. Please continue to support me. I should also mention too. One of these days, I plan when I figure out the a decent KV life. I don't usually talk about it, but when I plan on releasing that information if I ever figure out a decent KV life or I get my hands on it. I've got some friends working on it right now, but it's not exactly like we're the best coders in the world. But if I can ever figure that out, I will release it to the public, just so I can. Well, just so people can have it. I mean, this stuff is like ancient and old. For people to keep still making money, a lot of money off of it, it's just mind-boggling. Honestly, I don't even know how much longer Xbox 360 Microsoft is gonna. Microsoft or whatever is gonna support Xbox Live for 360. Especially now that they're coming out with the next generation stuff. Okay, so let us go. Now that we confirmed that the firewall is up, we are going to go to. I missed it. Where's that? There it is. Alright, you're going to go to Advanced Settings. What we're going to do now is we're going to open up the ports. Inbound rules. New rule. Yeah. Okay, and then port. Let's do, I don't know, let's do 5,000. We'll use that port. Connection. Alright, and then, internet. Let's install Google Chrome. Yeah. I just prefer Google Chrome. You don't have to do this, but I am. Yes, run it. I don't know why they're giving me a security warning for Google Chrome. I had another asshole the other day. Actually, it was the same motherfucker. He wanted to debate me about. It's from my previous stealth tutorials. He wanted to debate me about the MAC address. So, I explained that a MAC address, media access control, is like a map. The guy's like, it's not like a map. I'm sorry, it's not a map. If you just Google it, you'll notice that's something that's hardwired on your computer devices. Okay, yes, I know that, dude. I said it's like a map. Say the word like, okay? I didn't say it was a map. I said it's like. As in, it's an analogy. Go back and watch my video, dude, for real. The nerve of some people. I was saying it was I was using analogy, and I'm sorry if it was a bad one or if it didn't meet your approval, but it was an analogy to try to explain to people that even if they do look it up, the definition, they're still not going to fucking get it, alright? Man, the nerve of some people. I swear to God, I think some people are just trolls. Trying my best to get over them, but some people just like to press your buttons, I guess. Okay. And man, I hate how slow everything is. Alright. Yeah, I don't care. Okay. Let's do... maybe. My God, what is going on here? This doesn't even... Come on, dude. What the hell? Come on, delete. This is ridiculous. I don't know why it's freezing up. What the hell? Okay, let's just exit out of that. Christ, man, this is ridiculous. I hate... see how shit is so slow. Fucking pay like a good amount of money for this internet and they still can't... they still give me crappy service. We're gonna get this done. I don't care how long this takes. Man, it is just does not like me. Let's close some of this stuff down, I suppose. I'm on. This is such bullshit. Okay, what was I gonna do? Okay, Xbox 360 ports. All right, this is the stuff we want to open. You want to open up for ports. This stuff right here. So, port 88, UDP. Yeah, I still disagree with that guy saying that a MAC address is not a map, because it is basically it's like a map. If you think about the setup of a map, like how you have to find how you have to use coordinates on it on a map, and how a map can take you from one place to another, and you think about how the internet is set up, how it goes from one place to another. Okay, it works exactly like a map. All right, the MAC address is utilized in a on the internet as telling packets that go through the internet where to go. Okay, I'm at this computer. Where's my next place I go to? And the next connection. Oh, this is the MAC. This is the access control I'm seeing. This is what matches up. So I'm going to go to that device or that place or whatever. Yeah, that sounds like a map to me, you fuckhead. You can fucking disagree with me all you want. I know I'm right. I mean, if you really don't know what the fucking map is, like, you, oh my god, just I don't understand like how stupid people are. It drives me nuts. All right, that's 374. What was that? TCP? Okay. Guys are people are ridiculous. I don't know. God save the world, man. That's all I can think about. Oops. Let's do port 374. P. And then we're gonna do 53. My bad. 53. Make sure to do this right. I swear to God, if anybody watches this video and they still don't get it, I'm just gonna tell you I can't help you. I mean, I am done with all this intro stuff. I mean, this stuff is not that hard. It is not rocket science. All it is just lazy motherfuckers that want others to do the work for them. Damn it, what am I doing? Okay. Ports 53. P. Yeah. Okay. And then we need port 80 open. Oh, I almost forgot. We gotta open up the ports for xampp as well. I don't remember them off the top of my head. Okay, well, I remember one of them. We'll come back to that later. It's 3 is what we wanna. This is called xampp 3. Okay, so we got all that shit open. You should be able to run the cmd command and see it. The port open, I think. Oh, you know what? It will show up here when it's actually listening. I think I entered the wrong command, but yeah. When you know it's working, it will show up here when you try to connect. with the 360. Okay. All right. Xampp time. Xampp download. Then we're gonna do. I usually just go with this one. Installing that bad boy. Still making sure we're on here. I don't really like editing videos. They can be time consuming, I think. It's not exactly like I'm trying to make a professional video here. Important security warning. All that. Install it. You know what? I think I almost forgot to mention. I'm also gonna go through at the end here and website, and then I was gonna do a what's it called? Oh, domain. I was gonna show you how you can port forward a domain, a free one, where to get one, where to go. Yeah. So you don't have to use the IP. Alright. Also, if you don't want to watch this on YouTube, there is a YouTube downloader. Like, you just Google YouTube to MP4 and go to one of those websites. You can copy my URL for this video and then input it in there, and then just use it to download this video, and then just save it on your file for records. Okay, I want to install this. I want to install this. Let's see here. I want to start. Okay, that's without the port 3306. Let the MySQL through. Where is it? There it is. Okay, I'll add that real quick. Port. I think I might actually disable the comments for this video, because I've been getting a few repeat haters over and over again, and I just really don't care for their opinion, because I just know they're trolling me. To me, they're mad. If you want to talk, I'm always on my, usually on my Discord chat. Just Google Silent Live and you should be able to find me, no problem. Okay, that's that done. Alright. So what do we want to do with this? Okay, so I wanted to configure this and set up some security features. First I wanted to do to go to this. Okay, so let's do user accounts. We're gonna add a username and password. I don't know. Let's go with, or let's start here. So, just do what I do, alright? Change password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, that's not even a register. Okay. And then we go. Crap. Well, that was quick. Thought it would at least. Okay, you're probably going to see this message, this error. It usually lets me enter all 3 of them, but it didn't this. So to fix this right here, go to your file. Gotta remember where the hell this is at. Oh crap, I don't remember where to go here. Oh, there should be a config file. Oh, I think it's just. Yeah, it's one of these. Actually, you know what? I think I can just. Apache. No. This? Because you gotta change the cookie on it. Come on, Mike. You gotta remember where this is at. That's the wrong one. I think it's this one. Oh my god, I don't remember where this is at. This is not it. This is this. It's this. No. Oh, what the hell? I swear to God, it's in here. Well, fuck. Alright, I'm sorry. Hang on a minute. Xampp. How to enable cookie. If I could find the file. Swear to God, it's in here. This is needed for... Okay, here it is. Config cookie. There we go. Alright. And username is root. Alright. And then we need to finish setting up the rest of them. This is probably going to be a very long video, so get comfortable. Damn it. Okay. And then we want to do this one. Trust me, do exactly what I'm doing. Follow this tutorial to the letter. This is exactly how you want to set this up. Like, this is your basic stuff that is needed so people won't drop your database that easily. And then we're going to do the PMA here. Well, what the hell? PMA password. MySQL. Oh. I think I might know. Let's accounts. There we go. Okay. I'm also going to provide a link. Yeah, it's another video that will show you how to do to give you the HTTPS encryption, show you how to set up your SSL certificate. You're going to need that for your website, so it secures the traffic between you and somebody that's accessing your website. Trust me, it's very valuable to have. Like, I would just have it. Okay, so get all that shit set up, right? Okay, now we want to go back into here, and we're gonna go to Apache. I think it was here. Open with. I'm trying to remember all this from memory. I'm sorry if it's taking forever. Let's see here. I think it's in here. There, it's gotta be in here. Okay, hang on a minute. I gotta go to my other server. Okay. Let's, here we go. What am I looking at here? Okay. And it's in. Okay. Go back to. That is what we're in. So I should be able to find it. It's crap. It's crap. I know it's crap. It's in here. Fuckers. Oh, where is it? This is why I don't exactly like Control F all the time, because it doesn't find it, and it is in here. I'll show you. Once I change this, I'll show you what it does in a minute. It's pretty smart to have. HTTP conference. Okay, that's what it is. Oh, no, it's not. I am in the wrong one. Crap. That would be this? No. I need to find. Where would that? It's in Apache. Crap. Config. xampp. Okay, I know how to get there now. I'll make sure we're still up here. Still rocking and rolling. Yes, we are. Okay, let's go back here. And it would be this bad boy. It's bad mamma jamma. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so you can change this. Okay, so when you connect to your website So what XAMPP allows you to do is it allows for an HTTP protocol to your VPS. That's what allows people to connect to your website if you make one. If you make one using a virtual private server, which a lot of really good advanced coders do. They use these virtual private servers to host their own web platforms. So, in this right here, when you go to connect, it's going to connect to your PHP My Admin. So what we want to do, so what hackers will do is, especially for misconfigured, for misconfigured MySQL servers, especially XAMPP, they're gonna know where to find that. They'll enter this in their URL browser and then go right to your login page. And you don't want them to do that. You want to hide that crap. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna call it PMA. So it should be PMA. It should work. Yes, if I did this correctly. Alright, let's log out. Localhost PMA. Let's stop that. There we go. See? Alright, and then you just log in. So if I was to take this, I'll show you what this does. And PMA. Ah, crap, I forgot how to get around that too. Oh my god, I forgot how to get around that. How do you get around that? Trying to remember. Okay, it's probably that same one. It is. That's not it. Okay, I remember what I did here. Let's go back here. And where's that? Here it is. You're going to want to take these three. And okay, just erase that. And then okay, save. Stop. All right, now let's. All right, there we go. See, now you can get in. See, it's hidden now. So if somebody tries to connect, they're not gonna know where the fuck to go because you've got this. You got your panel hidden. So let's just root. And there we go. We are in. The secret password configuration is too short. Blowfish secret is too short. Oh yeah, there was one more that I wanted to do. Show you. It was important. I forgot where that was at. I think it's this one. Yeah. See this right here? I completely forgotten what the blowfish means in computer jargon, so you might actually have to look that up. But make this long as much as you can, because this provides more security for your server, and that is what you want to do. And let's log out. Alright. I would just get this secure anyway, no matter what. Yeah. You want to get an SSL script. Here's a free one that you can use. It's called Let's Encrypt. Yeah, you want to use this to provide you an SSL certificate. It's not that hard to do. It took me a little while, but I figured it out. It wasn't hard. But I highly recommend this. I'm not gonna cover how you set that up. It's gonna take me too long. Okay, let's see here. Alright, we're still good. Okay, so I'm gonna X out of that. Alright, so I think that's it for the security bullshit. And then let's make a folder real quick, call it stealth or something. Alright, so we are going to open this up. So I cobbled this together, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, from different sources. So like the listener, that's from P-Unknown. The cheats, most of these cheats, the mod engines, the mod menus, most of them are from Savage Live's release. It was really jacked up, so I fixed a lot of it, not all of it. There's still a few bugs in it. And then the website is from Xbox Phantom's source files. So I'll get to that in a minute. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open up this. You know, I had some dude also ask me like about a month ago, no, not a month ago, maybe a few weeks ago. Yeah, he asked me, I kept telling him what he needed. You know, download the Visual Studio, download the full installation of Xbox Neighborhood. And he kept asking me, okay, well, does this make the XEX? Does it make it? And I'm like, does it make the listener? And I'm like, dude, I kept telling the dude, yes. What do you think the Visual Studio is for? I asked him, do you know what Visual Studio is? He's like, yeah, I do. Oh, okay, well, why are you asking me such a dumb question? When I was new at this, I never asked that shit to people. I really didn't. I can see why people don't want to help anybody out and why they want to get annoyed and shit. Okay. So now we're gonna open up the cheat engine as well. You can you don't have to use this. You can use whatever you want. I am going to show you how to set this up in a minute, the cheat engine, like how to make it so it communicates properly with your listener and your client source. So, what was it? So for my cheat engine that I made, I use, Uh, I have it work. I have it working. I have the black, not the Black Ops 2. What's it called? Modern Warfare 2. It's working on my source because I have it hooked up correctly. I didn't fix it on this, so the Black Ops. I'm sorry, not the Black Ops 2. The Modern Warfare 2 mod menu on this doesn't work. I haven't figured out why yet. I don't even think I'm going to, because I really am not into it, and I don't really think too many people play it. So, to disable these, you just put 2 slashes in front of it, turns green, disables the menu. Same for all these. Also providing you, this also has Halo and GTA, full GTA working mod menu in it as well. Don't ask me how to code the mod menus. I'm not going to show you because I'm not really into those games. Okay. If you do want to learn it, these are working. They work. They load up. Okay. So all you have to do is just recode the mods themselves. So I don't know. For example, in Call of Duty or something, you want to turn on no spread or something, and it's not working. Well, go in and make sure that the offset is correct, or let's say you want to add it. Okay, just learn how it functions, learn how the code functions, and then just copy and paste the code, and make a new add on no clip selection. All right. I might make some videos on it later down the line, but like if you come up to me and ask me to do it for you or whatever, I'm not. Even if you offer me money, I'm still not gonna take it because I don't know enough about them to honestly help you that well. But this will get you started for hosting a cheat engine for your stealth server. Okay, so we want to go in here. Where? Okay, so we want to. Well, okay, so we are right here. This step here. Yeah. So here it is. You want to take stealth. Copy it. File place. So what do we want to call our stealth server? Let's call it Pimpin' Live. Yeah, let's go with that. Pimpin' Live. Find what? Replace with Pimpin'. It's Pimpin'. There we go. Alright. Yes. Okay. Then we want to go here. I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. And you want to change the image, the XEX image. Actually, no, you don't want to change it. Just leave it as engine. Or if you want to change it, go ahead. I don't recommend it, because I've got this set up for you. All you gotta do is just do what I'm doing here, and it will work for you. Right. Run the engine. Yeah. This might take a while. I still can't believe that one guy. He's like, what is the point of these videos? I mean, he's like, I'm like, dude, you're the only one that has ever gave me that kind of criticism, like, for the last 6 months. Like, everybody I've talked to, most people appreciate this, what I'm doing here. They really do. Ah, fuck, now what? Shit. I didn't realize there was one. Oh, did I think I just did that, yeah. Oh, by the way, the bypass codes for Advanced Warfare, Black Ops 3, Ghost, and Black Ops 2, they're all in here. All the bypasses are in here. I might cover those later. I'm not sure. I honestly don't know what the point is of them, because I've been cheating on COD for months now, and same fucking accounts, and still haven't been banned. So, yeah, I don't know what the point of them are, of them. Finish generating code. Alright. And then we will go here. Copy this. And to your listener. Put it in here. Okay. So the next thing we want to do is we want to take this. What is this? Where is that at? There it is. I got this set up as. Okay. And this is 54. Calculator. Gonna change that value to hexadecimal because we're gonna put it in our stealth source. So where are we going here? Where did I put that? Stealth CPP. Is dash weights. Go here. Okay, so this is I've got this all set up for you. You got a message box with the server menu. This message box gives your client two choices. You know, let's go, just nothing happens, or enable a cheat engine. So like this happens when you automatically load the server. So this is set to 50,000 milliseconds. So it gives them enough time to hit the login button, and then after they log in, it pops up the dash launch, and then moments later, the message box will pop up. Instead, if that was like any lower, they most likely will get a freeze error. Still rocking and rolling here. Yes, we are. Okay, so you can here's a message. You can change it. You can have what I have here, or change it to whatever you want. See here, these ends, these what's that, backslash, forward slash, right? Okay, well the slash n there, that will produce a new line, just so you know. So like it'll read AW cheats bypass equals on, Next line, GTA 5 menu equals law on. Next, new line, COD menu equals, equals BO1, all that crap. Or if you just want to enter a message, just do that. I would just leave that there and alone. I mean, this is pretty much set up for you pretty nicely. I explained how these message boxes work in my Stealth Tutorial 3. If you want to understand more of them, watch that. Otherwise, if you don't want to do anything, okay, just edit these just into your message. Don't do anything with them. Don't do anything else with them. Just leave everything alone and just in your message. Okay, so we are going to here. And okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to set the value of our engine xex, because the listener, I programmed it so it will read the bytes from your server side, okay, from the engine xex, the cheat engine. So when people go on there, when the window pops up for them when they launch your Xbox 360 and then enable the cheat engine, they're going to get this message: initializing Stealth Live cheat engine, please wait. It's going to download this file from the server onto their Xbox, and then it's going to load that image, and then they're going to get a pop-up message that says, do you want to activate or deactivate cheats? So if you don't have these bytes correct, you're going to get an unhandled exception error on your listener, and it's going to cause you a shit ton of problems. So make sure you get this right. Yeah, if I were you, I wouldn't change the name of engine xex. I'd just leave it as engine xex, because if you change it and you especially don't know what the hell you're doing, you're just going to get more errors. Okay. So we gotta make sure that equals my decimal here. So 155,648. All right, we're in business. All right, and then that's the first place you want to do it at, and then the second place you want to do it here. Server communication com h or whatever. All right, that's it. Okay, and then crap. Sorry. Now let's go ahead and set up the port here. Okay, so we're gonna the port IPS. Okay, so we're gonna go with port 5000, and then our VPS 7491.121.236. All right, and then that's it for that. Okay, so I went ahead and left the XOR code in here if you want to XOR and hide your IP address so skids won't pull up your fucking stealth file and poke around in IDA if you want to use that. If you don't know how to use this and don't care to learn, just leave that blank. Just leave that. Make sure that's green there. Make sure these two stay right there. Otherwise, and okay, yeah. Well, when you set up the XOR, you're gonna have to put all this shit in green as well, or delete it, or paste it in a text file. If you don't know how the, you should be able to do that. Yeah, just do this. I'm not gonna show you how to XOR because I covered it in another video. Wasting my time, which is something I hate doing. But if you're a noober and lazy and fat and American, I guess, just leave this shit alone. Just enter the stuff here like I have it. Okay, and then the last thing we want to do is we want to change the name. Is what we want to do. Yes, we want to do that. Where I'm blind. Okay, here we go. Find and replace. Alright. We went with Pimpin' Live. Actually, it's Pimpin'. It's just Pimpin'. We're gonna find stealth. Place all. Go. Then we want to change the image. I probably should have mentioned this in the beginning, but this video is specifically designed for people that don't know what the fuck they're doing. Don't have a clue. Alright, let's try, let's do pimpin'. Go. Apply. Okay. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and run this bad boy. Yeah, shit, I fucked this up already. Forgot I was gonna show you how to change your HUD and stuff before I did this. Oh, great, already getting errors. Ow. Crap. Where's that? If you get that error, do exactly what I'm doing here. Alright. Before I correct that, let's go into the HUD shit. Okay. Going to put up a new window. This might get buggy and slow, so I apologize. Let's see here. Where's that? Nimbus. Chemo's stuff. Somewhere. Come on, where's that? There it is. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. I swear to God, my computer hates me. Let's go ahead and X out of this for a minute. Still going. Good, good, good. Alright. So... I'm just going to show you what I did. I'm not going to cover all this because I made a video. Again, I made another video on this. If you want to learn more about XUI files and crap, well, go watch it. If you don't, just do what I do here. You're going to go to module. XUI crap. Okay, so I've got this coded so it will show an image on the preferences screen as well, and it also has code that changes the color on the like when you pull up your friends, you'll see the tabs. I can show you that in a minute, but where did I put that? Okay, so if you want to change the HUD, like the blades and stuff on it, you're gonna adjust these. So just, if you don't know what the fuck you're doing, just leave this one alone. Just change this color. See, I got this purple. Just, let's go with green, dark green. And then, there we go. Where did I put it? Alright. This is it. Yes. Alright, that was dumped that in there. No, fuck. Damn it, Mike. No, this is fine. Actually, I have to open the XCP file. You know, if you actually do know what you're doing and can figure this out, you can actually like set the notify to download from the server side files from your listener onto the 360 instead of using the built-in feature. That actually would provide you some better protection from somebody dumping your Xbox user interface sources. But I don't know anybody. I don't really know why you'd give a shit, because this stuff is, it's easy to find anyway. I mean, I don't know. People that dump this stuff on demon forums, I think they're just doing it for credits, and they know morons are too dumb to not know where it's at. Again, this is why I'm exposing this shit. Oh, yeah, I'm bringing this stuff to the surface so people can know what to do. My God. All right. Gonna open that up. Let's dump that in there. Alright, see, you got your preferences here. You can adjust that to whatever you want. Name that to pimpin' or something. And then this one would be your notify message. And then the guide, it's just a fresh one, it's just a blank one. If you don't know what the hell you're doing, just don't mess with this. Just leave this alone. The only things you want to change are the blades, this blade here, and this here. If you want to pimp it out, you can change the colors and shit. Chemo's got a video online that shows you how to do that. It's pretty good. It's pretty thorough. And then I'm also giving you I set this up, this guide info. So okay, so I'm using an analogy here so anybody that wants to comment that I'm wrong about this, okay, just so we're clear, okay, this is an analogy. So basically this guide info, it's like a disk, okay? So the guide main info, the guide main, okay, is going to be your disk, and then the cover, okay, will be your guide info. So this is going to cover over, the guide info is going to cover over your guide main. So think of it like a template covering over it, showing show the CD, but then it'll show the cover will show images on top of it. So because it's layered. Think of it like that. Remember, any assholes that want to comment negatively, just remember, I'm using an analogy. Please don't be a doucher and try to autocorrect me, okay? Because I'm just gonna call you out on it and tell you that you're a piece of shit because you think I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about when I actually do. You're just a troll. You must be a troll because you're asking me that shit. Because you're just mad because I'm showing skids, I'm showing people how to do this stuff, and you're just upset because you're losing business. I don't care. You're probably one of those guys from demon forums that release their sources and are pissed off. You're pissed off because I'm sharing this with the public. Well, you shouldn't have fucking released it in the first place. What the fuck you think is gonna happen when you release this crap? You know, companies are using each other's cheat engines. What's it called? Source code all the time. game engines. Yeah, that's what it's called. They're using game engines all the time. Okay, so you just rename this. If I can find it here. There we go. Yeah, go down here and rename it to Pimpin' or whatever your name is, whatever message you want. And then I've got this set up for you. Keep scrolling through it. Actually, don't change any of this. You might want to change the color, which you can right here. What can we do? That's actually this green. Let's do, yeah, see, change the color. Okay, I'm not saving that. But yeah, that's how you do that. Okay, so you just mess with the guide info, the blade, and preferences. Then mess with those, and then this right here. You notify. Those are, if you know what the fuck you're doing, those are the only three that I want you to mess with, specifically for this source. Okay, whatever colors you want. And then I also set up the background image. Sorry, the colors for the background and the tabs as well. So how you change those is you want to go over to title hooks, and I'm going to set this to color 2. I got this marked here. These offsets are for the background. These offsets are for the tabs and button boxes and crap. And that is for the I forgot what it's called. Oh wow. Oh god, I forgot what it's called. Oh shit. So when you go to download a game, and before you download it, there'll be buttons. Okay, and the button tabs, and that code, this code right here, the social dash LEX or whatever, that's to change the color for those tabs. Okay, so let's leave that there. And then I had another one here. Okay, so I got this X'd out because I don't really give a shit, but if you want, what this does is it's going to change the add-on button. So that would be this right here. It's like an example. So what you're going to do is you're going to set your website up wherever you upload your image to. Set it right here, and then you're going to basically cut it in half. So after the .com, kind of like it example it gives here, after the .com, you're going to put this right here. So see if you actually pull this up, you'd actually pull up an image. But see how I have this split up? That's how it's gonna work. When I use the add-on actually turns gray because I think I got the image size jacked up. So you might, if you're gonna use this, you might have to play around with that a little bit. Otherwise, if you don't, which I really don't recommend, because who gives a shit? It's not exactly that pretty, but yeah. Okay, so I'm going to. So I've got this currently set up as purple for the buttons and tabs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change that. So you're gonna go to. I don't know how to adjust colors here. Oh, okay, that's my YouTube video. We are gonna go to my YouTube video. Hey to players. Gotta hate to players. Okay, so you're gonna go to. Okay, yeah, here's the search box I was talking about earlier. Yeah, so it's gonna change that color. Alright, so we're gonna go to this. Rabbit tables and stuff. Gonna change it. Let's go with I don't know, let's do blue. Okay, so super important, you're gonna only change the last 6 digits of this. Leave the FF. Then what else? Let's go with I don't know, red and blue. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that. Alright. So the color is going to be for all these right here, and then color 2 is going to be for these. Alright. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. No, that's it. That's all you needed. Okay. And I'm gonna I went ahead and left this stuff in here. MSP spoofing and stuff. There. Even got the patches for you too, if you want them. I wouldn't use this. I'd just delete this code if I were you. It'll really greatly shorten your KV life. Like, terribly. I went ahead and left this too, in case you want to try to integrate offsets into or mod menus into the client, the module client here, if you wanted to. Otherwise, just don't fuck with this. Just leave it alone. I also went ahead and left the Destiny bypass. I put this in green because it fucks with the. It just gives you errors. But if you want to use the bypass, I don't know why. No, I've never seen anybody actually try to hack Destiny in years. So, but the bypass is here if you want it. For as far as I know, it works. But yeah, I also have Battlefield 4 in here as well. It's on the server menu, which the server menu is somewhere here. Where is it? HUD hooks. I'm sure some assholes is gonna try to like tear this shit apart. I don't really care. They can go fuck themselves. That's my message for you. Oh, where's that? HUD. Okay, yeah, here it is. Okay, so I got the Battlefield 4 office codes in there for you. So it's got the aimbot and red box, not red boxes, but they're the boxes that show everyone's locations and shit. It's pretty fucking nice, sweet setup. This stuff, if you know what the fuck you're doing, leave it alone. Don't do anything. Just leave it, okay? It's all set up for you. You don't need to do anything. The redeem token, the current games. You might want to change the current games because if you want to tell people what your current games are, what you have and stuff, wherever that's at, it's down here somewhere. So tired. Okay, where's that? Okay, here it is. Yeah, you can change it here if you want. But other than that, leave the rest of it alone. If I were you. Okay, so that should be everything for this. So, alright, let's build our source. Again. Rocking and rolling here. Still rolling. Cannot open directory. Pip and config. Ah, crap. Shit. I don't remember all. If you want to just, I'm gonna leave this here. But if you wanted to skip all that, all you have to do is just change this name. Where's that? To your server. So it says stealth config. Just change it to like if it was pimpin', like I was using. Just change it to pimpin'. But I'm gonna be difficult. I just want to show you this. I want to show you this like the way I'm doing it here, so you understand, so you can understand how some of the stuff works, especially if you knew. Is that it? I think that's it. There's so many dickheads on the internet. God, everyone's just... I thought I had a level of arrogance, but... yeah, I want to tell people you should meet some of the clowns I see online. People just are haters. They just don't like some of the stuff you do. They think that you're wrong, the way you live your life is wrong, and you should quit living your life that way. Like these stealth server tutorials, they want me to stop making them because they don't want me to show people what to do. Alright, I'm going to take this and put it in here. Alright, then we are going to open up alright, for all of you guys that are new on here, I don't know what the hell you're doing. Do not, I repeat, do not find and replace the word stealth in this, okay? Just do exactly what I'm going to do here in this stealth source and this listener source, okay? Because if you do, you're most likely going to screw it up and then come to me and ask and cry and ask questions. And I don't really feel like hearing it. Okay, so once this loads up, alright, so just leave this. Yeah, see, this says engine. See, this is all this stuff. It's reading these files. Okay, so we're gonna want to change. I'm not gonna change the INI file, but if you want to change it, you can change it here. But you're also going to need to change it on the listener as well. Okay? Wherever that's at. Oh, shit. No. Don't. Oh, fuck. Damn it. I didn't mean to do that. Actually, yeah, I actually do have a current project going on. I'm redoing Chemo's Notify a little bit, added some more code into it. So I was planning on releasing it to the public, so it gives people the option to, obviously they can make their own Notify, but also allows them to add the color backgrounds and then, edit the whatever it's called, like the preferences and the HUD and the dash and shit better. Okay, so we want to, yeah, I was showing you this. Okay, then debug. Okay, if you change the INI, you gotta change the INI here. Otherwise, you can get a fucking error if you don't change it. Gotta make sure this shit matches this shit. If you don't, you're gonna get an error. Okay? It's not fucking rocket science. I get people that ask me, what the hell is going on? Well, read the error message. My God. Oh, what the hell? I fucking hate this computer. Microsoft's Windows 10. I suppose they're going to come out with Windows 11 eventually and just make it crappier. Okay, so we're going to change this to Pimpin'. Pimpin'. I'm going to change that there. Then you're going to go to config. Change the port number to 5000. Let's do Pimpin' for the server name. Remember, do exactly what I'm doing here, okay, guys? And if I tell you not to do something, don't do it. Otherwise, you're going to fuck this up. MySQL. Okay. Alright, so we're going to do Pimpin'. Alright, so this password here, this is for you to get into your MySQL database. whatever password you used when you configured the database on xampp. And for those of you out there that are too lazy to configure it, I'm telling you right now, your VPS is going to be super easy to break into. Like, very fucking easy. If you don't believe me, seriously, if you don't believe me, YouTube search mega exploits, okay, and watch your videos, okay. Their videos show you what happens if you don't have it configured correctly. I had a guy, he paid me like $100, 200. He paid me like a couple $100 to build a server for him the other month, about a month or two ago, and him and his buddies, or he claims it wasn't him, but they talked shit to the wrong people, and they dropped his database like quickly because he didn't have it fucking configured right. I didn't think I had to really make the videos to like this to show people, but I guess apparently I do, because people are too lazy to look shit up themselves. Okay, set the password. All right, and then we are gonna go. I want to check out one more thing. So, hang on a minute. So this server, this listener is designed to write to a console log. Okay. So like every time somebody connects to every time something prints on the listener window, okay, the black window. So like this shit was printing, okay? It's going to write to that console log. So people get an error every time they use this because of that console log, because it can't find it. And I'm going to show you where that's at, where you can change the folder to where it's supposed to be at, where it's supposed to save. Because I can't assume that you're going to use the VPS. The VPS that I'm recommending to you, because for whatever reason you decide to change. People, like to do their own stuff. Just gotta remember the hell it's at. Actually, I think it's here. Okay. It's here, I think. Yes. Okay. So this is gonna find this code here. This code right here is what, or if you can just delete it if you want. If you just delete it, actually don't delete it. I think you'll get a ton of errors. So I've already got this set up for you. So if you use xampp, it's gonna save the console log to HTT docs or whatever. So speaking of which, I should probably, I'll do that when I get that on there. When I put that on the source. Okay. But yeah. So if you want the information that's printed on the stealth server when it prints, when people connect to a different location, a different folder, you're gonna have to change these four. Okay, right here in the code. But if you don't know what the fuck you're doing, just leave it. Okay. All right. I think that should be it. All right. So we're gonna run it. All right. This should be everything that you need. And then let's here. And then we'll open this bad boy up. The MySQL is in there, okay. We are going to go to HTT docs. That's not it. Go. Where is it at? There it is. And we are going to text document console log. Okay, that's the same one I just pointed out to you down here. Okay, if you don't have that correct, you're gonna get fucking errors. You're gonna get an unhandled exception error. It's not hard. I've seen guys literally ask about this on demon forums and get yelled at. Like, people have literally told them, don't do a stealth server. Just stop. You don't know what the fuck you're doing. If you really, I remember one guy's like, if you really don't know what that error is, please stop. Don't go any further. You suck at this. You suck at life. I'm like, wow, that's harsh, dude. Okay. And then we're gonna go here, log in. And I'm gonna go, let's see, we called it pimpin', right? Pimpin', yeah. You want to name your database the same as your stealth server name. Okay, and then import, choose file. Alright, this should work. If I did everything correctly. Oh, you can also set your notify too, so welcome to Pimpin' Live. That's it. Damn. Getting a fucking error. Now what? Okay, well, it's good I'm getting this error because I can show you what to do. You'll probably get it too. Oh, no exception. Oh. Can't find it. It can't find console log. Why? Because it is being used by an... Oh, I'm retarded. Okay. Wow, that's really touchy, but it's giving me an error because I have it loaded in this I have the folder loaded up. Wow, how touchy. So I just exit out and I'll start like that. See? Okay. All right, just read the error at the top and then go to where the problem's at, and then there you go. Okay, we're all good to go. Not in free mode. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take where do I have Pimpin' XX, put it on my 360. Go. Uh, for the INI, you don't have to provide it to the to your users, to people that use your still source, because this module here is programmed to I didn't program, sorry, but it's programmed uh uh to write the INI file. Okay, to actually it doesn't write it. It downloads the INI file from your server file, which I just remembered I mentioned that earlier. Okay, so before we connect, we're gonna go over here, and this is where you want Navicat. And just, I'm gonna copy it up here. We want to set it up. This is actually a hack version of Navicat. I think this stuff actually costs money. I don't remember how much, but you get it for free. I love free shit. Just gotta know where to look for it. Alright, we're finished. And, load up the key generator or whatever. Let's do that. Okay. Then we're gonna load this bad mamma jam up. No, fuck that. Connect to MySQL. Go hosts. And we're connected. There we go. Going to go to pimpin'. And users. No, it's okay. Yeah, we wanna. Let's do that. This is silent. Okay, this is gonna be for your. This is gonna be to log into your panel later. So. Let's do MD5 hash generator. I really don't recommend using a panel. I mean, this panel, because its security is crap on it, but you can if you want. I recommend using Navicat because it's just first off, you can either use it from your desktop at home, or you can just do what I'm doing and have it on here. But I'm gonna set this up. Save. Then we want to go to guest mode. I think that should be 0, I think. Yeah. I'll find out here in a minute. Thought I had that on here. Okay. this bunch. Let's make a new folder. Panel. Okay. Oops. Oh, fuck, I forgot to do that. Okay. Shit. Okay, well, we'll get to that in a minute. Alright. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your exam folder. Okay then. Just make 2 new folders. Let's call one TK, another one ML. Let's dump that here. Okay, so now then you're gonna go into includes. Open this up. WordPad. Change that to pimpin', and then what did I have? This. Hit save. This is ML. So now we're gonna do 7.4. What was it again? Okay. I can do this. Okay. I'm gonna do L. Alright. I got this name as stealth. You can change this in the MySQL files. Just pull it up with a code viewer, or hell, you can just pull it up as a text message, text box, text editor, or whatever. Just pull it up and change the name stealth in every place you see in there. Change it to whatever server you're using. Okay, so we've got silent, and I think it was. That's not right. Silence. Alright, there we go. We're in. Alright. This is P unknown panel because it goes with the source. It's all coded together. It's really nice. So you got manage clients. These are everybody that connects to your server. Tokens. So this is really important. These only do what do they do? 3, 7. Have to look that up. This one. Forgot what they do. Oh my god. Where was that? Is it HUD hooks? No, HUD. Yes. Where is that? Deem token. Okay, yeah, it only does 1, 3, 7, 14, 31 days. Don't do any lifetime. If you're gonna give lifetime to your users, just edit it manually. You can do that in the dash. You can either do that in Navicat or you can do that on your dashboard here. Sorry, your panel. So so just the numbers I showed you here. Alright, if you use any other numbers, they're not going to work. Your clients won't be able to redeem any tokens. So 31 days. There we go. And have them enter that exactly like that. And they enter it on the freaking server menu. It's on the HUD. You go scroll over, you open up the server menu, click on the redeem token, and that pops that up. And then here's the settings. See, it's currently disabled. I'm going to enable it. Maybe. There we go. It's enabled. Yeah. I'm not going to show you how to change the online notify. I don't even know why they had that program in there. I think it's pointless. Same with the download link. I don't get that either. Just kind of sounds dumb to me, but if you want to change it, it's in the panel files. Yeah. Gotta remember where the hell that's at. Is it in the panel files? I think it's in the MySQL files. Let's try this. Okay. Pull this up here. Pretty sure that's in here. Man, still can't believe that one guy was like, "What is the point of these videos? Man, dude, really get a life." Okay. I mean, this MySQL stuff. This is what makes the tables for you. I mean, you can actually do it. You can actually do it on the MySQL server. Sorry, panel, but this is already set up for you. You don't have to do anything. But if you want to add shit, you can either do it here or on the panel. Don't ask me what to do. Show you about the panel and stuff. Freaking learn it, okay? Learn MySQL. I mean, I know it's going to take you some time, but just learn it. Okay, so if you're going to change the stealth here, the MySQL, you're going to change it here. Okay? You're going to change it in every spot here that says stealth. And what was I looking for? Oh, yeah. I don't think it is here. No, it's not. Okay, it's not in here. Let's exit out of this. I don't need it up anymore. Exit out of that. Wrong one. Panel. Okay. I don't remember which one it is. Oh, I'm retarded. Server settings. Server settings. Here we go. Settings. This nice online free source here. Free thing you can use called Code Writer or whatever, viewer or something. Yeah, Code Writer. It's pretty dope, pretty cool. We are still rocking it. Okay. So we wanted to change the update this. All right, here. Okay. Change online notify. Control F. Find it. Okay. It's writing to where? There it is. Okay. Start at notify functions and update the folder. That's what you want to do. Make sure that these two dashes, these two forward slashes, forward slashes are there. Otherwise, if you don't, you're gonna get an error. But after you update all these, okay, just exactly how it is like here, okay, to the folder where your notify text is at. So your notify text, if you haven't been paying attention, is in your listener file. That would be this. So, actually, you know what? I think I'll just update it anyway, just for shits and giggles. Alright, so we got users, administrator, desktop, stealth. Then we got debug. Debug. Alright, they're going to take all this. And that's it. Looks like more stuff they had on here. Deleted. Alright, save it. Let's say. You gotta be kidding me. Shit. Really? What else? Why is it so fucking touchy? Okay, there we go. Then we're gonna take the one we just edited, copy, paste that bad boy in. Just like a woman, just slides right in, nice and smooth. Okay, and still cooking. Okay, just sign out, sign back in. Now we go over here. There we go. Now you can change it. All set up for you. That's how you change that. That's how you update that. And then the download link is in there too. You don't really need to change that. You can just change it here. It's like I have here. Okay. So if I wanted to change this to welcome to Pimpin' Live Beta Update Notify. Alright. Now if we go to here, source, open that up. There you go. Welcome to Pimpin' Live Beta. It's updated. Okay. Let's see here. I wasn't going to do anything else. Okay, if your clients have connection problems, connection issues, I made a full-blown tutorial explaining this, like how you're showing examples and explaining how when your customers or users or whatever connect to your server, all the different shit that can go wrong, and basically you got to explain to them what to do. Okay, you got to try to make your server as most idiot proof as you possibly can. All right. Oh, I wanted to show you the website real quick too. Damn it. clicked on that. Okay, so this is just a simple website. No, fuck off. I don't give a shit about Orbit. Fuck Orbit. Fuck Microsoft and their stupid shoving stuff down my throat crap. Okay, that's not the right one. Alright. So the reason I had to make 2 folders is because you're gonna get a free domain, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna basically forward that address. And I'll show you here in a minute to your file folder. So paste this here. Sort of. Okay, so if we go here, log out, and we'll change this to TK. There you go, website. I mean, I've added all my stuff into it, but all you have to do is just go in here and edit everything. So you got a nice little slider here. Show you shit. Don't ask me how to show you how to do this stuff. This is a really simple website. It is as easy as you're gonna fucking get. Like, it's not gonna get any easier than this. If you don't want to put the work into it, just don't use it, please. I went ahead and adjusted this, made it pretty fucking simple for you to use. It's not hard, not rocket science, but some people think it is. So we're gonna adjust this. I don't like HTML. Let's open it with code writer, because it just puts it in text and it looks like shit. And I want to show you where you can add YouTube links to your slider, and we're going to add contact information in case you got a bunch of buddies that are, you know, trying to sell and stuff. Okay. So let's put that over there. Okay, so if it's going to let me do it, off. Where are we at? Don't say you fuckhead. What do I press here? Okay, see? It all changed and shit. Okay. And then let's see here. Oh, where's that? Pippin Online. Okay, so this is your this is the download to your I think this one right here is the download to the XEX files. So wherever you save your XEX files and they click download, this download button on there, it's gonna go to this, and then this one, your Discord, it says it right here, see, just change to whatever your Discord channel is, chat channel. I'm assuming you use one, everyone does. Alright, and then here you're going to add any YouTube videos you have. So I've got like 4 of them set up here. Just paste it right in between the 2 brackets here. It's 2 curly braces. Crap. That's all you gotta do. HTTP. What's that showing? Okay, I'll just ignore that. So when you go to your YouTube channel, you're gonna want to click you're gonna want to click on share, and then you're gonna want to click on when it gives you options on to share with or who, Facebook, Twitter, whatever, Tweaker or whatever. You're gonna click on the embedded part of it. Okay, so let's see. Click on share, embedded code. You're gonna copy this shit. Don't use this here. Don't use this code. What you really want is you want this part right here. That's what you want. HTTPS TPPS www.youtube.com embedded, and then the rest of this there. The rest of this on the end here. This crap. And then you're gonna take it and just copy and paste that link into this, into here, to this set of code here on my slides. Alright, and if you want to add more videos, just copy this whole thing right here. Alright, copy it, paste it, that's it, and then put in your YouTube link. Alright, so I'm going to undo that. Okay, so let's save this, see what happens. It's saved. Whoops. We're going to go copy. Exit that. Paste that bad boy here. And reload. There you go. Xbox pimpin'. Boom. Whoever the hell pimpin' is, okay. Oh, I should show you the contact information too, I'm sorry. I don't really think it's necessary, but you know, people are idiots, so might as well. See, I mean, look at this, you can keep your key vaults longer, all this messages. All you gotta do is just edit that. You don't have to do anything. Oh, where's that? What's going on here? I don't remember what I did there. Whatever. Where's that? Okay. Right here. It's this set of code. That is going to be your contact information. Contact shit. That's gonna be this right here. All this. Just copy and paste it to make a new contact, to make new contact information. So it's gonna be this crap right here. That's what it's gonna be. And then this stuff. It's just, all you gotta do is just. This is so fucking easy. I don't know why people don't get this shit. I don't understand it. Like, You got 6-year-olds that do this stuff. Look, see, 6. So you can just change the prices. Then you got purchase time. Okay, that's what that is. So wherever you have your purchase time set up. So I recommend when you want to if you're too lazy and you want to use this website source and you don't want to pay for it through Wix, which is what I use because it's secure and it's like less than $20 and it's a month and it's dirt cheap. And if you're fucking poor like some people I know, you can use this. All right, and then what you're going to want to use is what I'd recommend is what's it called? I can't think of the name of it. Selly. You're going to use Selly. I would use Selly. Selly shop. Sell digital goods online. Okay? Follow this stuff. This will set you up. And then they should give you some code or something. Like it should be like a link or something. And then you're just going to... I don't really know what they give you because I've never used this. Because I never had to, but if you can't figure it out, contact these guys. They'll help you out. But I'm sure they're going to give you a link to somewhere. But so when they do, you're going to want to put it here, okay? They might ask you to do some other code. I don't fucking know. So that's 7 days. Shit is so easy. 3 days, 7 days, 14. Well, hell, it's already set up for you. Yeah. If you want to change the colors, gonna have to look at the code. So, let's see. I don't know if it's block PG body light. You might have to do some research on a little bit on how to change the colors. I didn't bother to research it again because I don't use this shit. I'm pretty sure it's in here. Photos. There's the logo. I don't know where they got this shit from. Who knows? Probably something free online. Yeah, I think that you're gonna have to change the code in here. What is it like? Is it right here? Because it says light. Just fucking play around with it a little bit. What? Yeah. I don't know PHP, but I know enough of this stuff to know what to do, and I know it doesn't take a rocket. It doesn't take a coder to edit this stuff. It doesn't take that much knowledge. All right, well that's what I'm going to cover on that piece. All right, next thing I want to show you is the domain. So if you want a domain like mine, so I've got mine set up as this, okay? If you want a domain like that, HTTPS. Oops. HTTPS www.silentlive. If it will pull it up. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, don't close it. Got this fucked up. Okay. HTTPS. There we go. Okay. If you want this, all right, you're gonna. If you want a domain, you're gonna have to where you want to go is free nom. Okay, I'm gonna sign in. Crap. Am I signed in? Okay, first thing you want to do is you want to register a new domain. Just, it's pretty easy. It's not that hard. Just type in, let's do pimpin' live, check availability. Okay, we got a shit ton of free ones here. I know you might have to pay. You'd have to pay for the .com and some of the bigger named ones. If you're dirt poor and don't want to pay anything, just use this free stuff. It's free. Yeah. Easy peasy. Okay, and then when you have it set up, once you have your domain, you're going to go to your domain console. And then you're going to do, so first off, you basically need 3 of them, okay? 3 domains. 1 to, actually you don't need 3, you only need 2. You only need 2 domains, but I have 3 because I wanted 3. 1 for my, just for my web address here. 1 for that. And then 2 for the website, and then in case I wanna, the website, and then in case I wanted to add another source on there or something, some other website files or whatever. So you want to go to named servers. You want to make sure this is selected. All right, and you want to manage it. Alright, ignore this crap. If you're gonna secure the website, if you're gonna use HTTPS on Let's Encrypt, shit, this is kind of how you want it to have it set up. What else do I have? Shit, drop my cards. Okay, so what you want on here is you want to set your IP like this. Okay, and then this www dot, you're going to set it down here. Make sure they're both set to A. Alright, and then what that will do is it will forward this address here, this domain, over to your VPS, is what that will do. So instead of seeing this, you can use the silent live at .ml, the domain. Back to domain list. And then I'm going to show you I don't have this set up, but if you wanted to set this up, okay, so like silent live TK, so you know how I have this in the website in the folders here, okay? These 2 folders. You're gonna forward the domain to these folders because these folders are accessible from the HTTP docs. It's like think of it like an FTP. Well, it's actually an HTTP transfer protocol. So let's see here. So if I go I go here. What you want is you want. Okay, so see how I have this. If you want to set up a domain, you're gonna go here, and you're gonna make sure that that's set to A. Pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's A. Or might be C name. Yeah, make sure it's set to A. Copy and paste it in there. Boom. There you go. This one guy had this video I was watching the other day. It explains it way better than I did. How I set that up. So once you save changes, it won't work right away. It will take like several minutes, maybe an hour. Sometimes it took me an hour for it to start populating. And then the same thing with your web source. So you can have it say .tk or whatever. Sorry, so you can just have it say tk. So enter it. You obviously got to make a new domain name. Got to have two different domain names for it. So just thought I'd show you that, how you set that up real quick. That's it for that. All right, let's log out. Okay, anything else I wanted to share? Make sure we're still rocking here. Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's minimize that. Let's X out some of this crap, because I'm gonna connect to the server, because I want to show you, make sure I show you I'm not blowing smoke up your ass. I'll get to these. Guess I already covered this already. I skipped around a little bit. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, we covered all this. All right. Let's pull up my Xbox. My KV's probably gonna get banned for me doing this, because I'm switching servers here. Connected. Right. And all right, I'm gonna go to for some reason my Xbox has been running really slow lately, so I apologize for that. Just want to show you that I got this working, so you don't think I'm blowing smoke up your ass. God, that guy. What's the point of these videos? Oh my god, I've never heard anything so insulting. Talk about getting under your skin. Okay. I should have this correctly. It should restart on me because it's connecting to new source. Oops. Alright, there we go. Welcome to Pimpin' Live. There we go. I am connected. Got red and blue here. Just like we said it. And then the message box that I showed you earlier should be popping up here soon. Takes, I don't know how many seconds, 50,000. Okay, there we go. Enable cheat engine. Initializing, please wait. Activate. There we go. Let's see here. Oh. So okay. Let me sign in real quick. I just thought of something. That's fucked up. Actually, that's kind of cool. Oh, I did the wrong fucking blade. Shit. Crap. Son of a bitch, dude. Did the wrong blade. Oh, no, I thought I did the right blade. What the fuck is going on? Yeah. Hope I can log in here. Well, what I wanted to show you was, okay, so see how this is purple right here in the friends? Yeah, see the stars, how they're purple? Okay. You can edit all of that in in these the fuck are they called? These pings. Yeah, I don't remember which ones they are. That's the controller. Why am I pulling that up? That's not it. Well, hell, you can edit the controller too. I don't know which one that is. Oh, actually, that I know what that is. Let's see here. What the fuck? I'm gonna have to take care of that in a minute here. What about the other one here? Blade Dark. It's just gray. What the fuck? Okay. Should be in here. hang on a minute. Let's pull this up again. Let's go. Man, this is so jacked up. Chemo, where you at? Chemo, there we are. And stars. It's called stars. Okay, here they are. Thought I had them in here. Guess not. Guess I didn't put them in there the other day. Okay, so here's a loading ring. Seen how the loading ring's green when you load it up? And how it changes colors? Okay, so you can change that right here. See, it's green, you can change it to purple or whatever. And then, so these stars, all of these, I will show you once I can. And these are the tabs too. Put those in there. Yeah, computer's slow. Okay, dump all that in there. Alright, let us take a look at this. So that's stars empty, so somebody rates your profile on here. Somebody rates it, you have a empty star, like it's nobody rates it, gives you or gives you no stars. None of that shit's gonna be filled in. It's gonna be filled in with empty because it says empty, obviously, and then just goes right along with it. Star empty, star full, star quarters, and then because I got the full as purple, I just dyed it purple like that. So you can dye it whatever the fuck you want, obviously. Same with the quarter. And then the tabs. See how it's showing purple on the friends tabs there? See how that shit's turning purple when I go over? I get a lot of hater messages. Okay, you can change that to whatever color you want. That's how you change that shit. And then the gamer card sign-in information, when you pull that stuff up, is on here too. Is in here too. I don't remember which. I don't remember which one it is. I didn't change it, but if you want to, you gotta look for it here. It's in here. Just gotta find it. What else was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I wanted to redo the blades. Stealth sample. Fuck. That's not right. This one. Silence. have to find where I changed those the other day. That's not it. That's not it. Maybe this is it. There's some nice blades that are already like set up. I wish I could find them. Yeah. There we go. Damn it, Mike. What the hell? Okay. And we're gonna go. Just pop that in there. Now, let's change this to the green we wanted. Fill that crap. I think what happened was I changed the wrong blade. I won't fill the... I'm fucking that up. Don't save. Has to be a better blade gray. Must be something better than that. Swear to God, I had a better one. Blade gray. I think it was this. Yeah. So it was. Let's save. I want this one. Oh, that one's fucked up. I don't know what we want. You see, I was experimenting with some stuff. I think that's what I was using. Make sure that's okay. Dump that in there. And that's dump that in there. Okay, so I want to also show you. Okay, so I also provided you with the code to change the Xbox Live logo menu here under the connections. So you see how it says Xbox Live there at the end? I've got that coded in here. I'll show you where that's at. If I can remember where the fuck I put it. Where did I put that? Oh, I put that somewhere. System HUD hooks, I'm pretty sure. Put it in there. No, I know where I put it. It's in the CPP. Okay, so the spinner loads from the initialize here set of code. Just look for it in here. Okay. So this is just for the spinner. And then this right here, this set of code, is for the spinner. It's for the little green thing. Well, it's not going to be the green thing loading, but it's gonna be for the it's the code that changes the Xbox Live logo. So this right here, you need to find the live logo in where did I find that at? In XAMPP. Yeah, I found that in XAMPP. You're gonna need to find the live logo. Actually, it's in here. Yeah. I got it in here. Okay. Take the live logo and open it up and change it with whatever you want. Just keep in mind the size and everything. Okay. And if you just want it to load up the live logo, you delete this out. Just this part right here. Oh, not that part. You're going to delete this part right here. Okay. And then you're going to do that. Yeah. Put that in green. Put that loading ring in green, so it'll just launch the live logo for you. But if you want them, I know some people when you go onto my server or like out here live, for example, you notice how like their logo will like spin around when you're loading up. Okay, this set of code will do that for you. This is set up that it'll allow it to spin for you. I just wanted to mention that there. I've got that set. I got that encoded in here. Okay, so I want to go ahead and on this again. Okay, I swear to God, so whatever you do, people, just watch the whole thing through, okay? I know it's long, I know it's boring, but if you want to do this shit, I mean, this is in-depth, this is what the fuck you do. Like, this is if I was there showing you how to set this up. It takes a while, okay? It takes this. What are you even trying to code for? Okay. Take this. Go to this right here. Open up. Updating module. It's saying that pimpin is updating. Pretty sure I fixed the fucking HUD. You might have to play around those blades a little bit. I always have to because I don't always get it right. But it's trial and error with this. I mean, this is all configured, all set up. All you gotta do is just follow this every step I was doing along the way. Alright, let's see what we got here. Still fucked up. Well, what the hell? Honestly, I think that looks actually pretty cool. Other assholes don't agree because they don't like see how the letter A is like covered up. Like they don't agree. Like whatever. That's not right with this. Let's switch this shit around. It's XUI stuff. That's not it. Let's go back here. Okay. Let's change this to I'm gonna change this to let's do this. Blade dark. Let's change that to blade gray. And let's change this to blade dark. Okay. Let's go like this. Where's that? Blade dark. Blade gray. And then blade gray. Because I think I've got these backwards. Which really matches that. It should just be, yeah. Alright, now let's... Let's see what we get from this. Oh, by the way, if you want to use this sort of code instead of the spinner here, you gotta change this down here. I'm sorry, I forgot that. Which is that? Gonna change. Where's that? Okay, you gotta change this spinner to the Xbox logo I had up there. Let's see what that gives us here. What the fuck, dude? What the hell? It's so weird. Oh, fuck that shit. That's not it. Well, fuck. Purple. I'm just gonna split these. See what we get from this. I could spend forever on this. I had this like set clean like once. I just don't understand like what went wrong here. Actually, you know what? That I told you about earlier, the pimpin'. For the listener, you actually do want to change that. Yeah. Sorry, because you've got it right here. That doesn't make any sense. Nah, it's just gonna read this. Okay, so you actually do want to change that. So on the listener source, you want to change the stealth INI to pimpin' INI or whatever stealth you're using, and then you're gonna want to rename this here to pimpin' or whatever your stealth server name is. All right. Should be getting a notification here soon. when you keep re-updating like this, this shit gets your KV banned faster. It's the only reason why I even go through KVs, because of this stuff. I do shit like this. What do we got here? Getting there. Something fucked up with the borders. I don't understand why it's doing that. That is very frustrating. Oh, it's probably because the Xbox. No, that doesn't make any sense. Okay, well let's just use let's use P unknown stuff. Wherever it's at. Should be in here. That's not it. Why the fuck is it showing white? Okay. Shouldn't be showing white. I think I fixed this once. It's this edge here, this white stuff. I don't know what color Xbox is, that's the problem. Fuck it. Let's just use P unknowns. There it is. Yeah. If it did actually write, I doubt it did, because I got this coded wrong for the INI file. It's good that I'm making mistakes. You can see, you probably will make these same mistakes too, so you can see how to, especially if you're new, and you can see how I fix them instead of badgering me about it. Yeah, I did write it. Yep, it wrote it. I'd still change that. What the hell's going on there? So all this, there's gonna be. I mean, read the details, the description to find all the links to. Actually, it's probably there's only gonna be one link, but to download this, okay, to download these files. Well, that's fucking clean. What the hell? Look at this. I don't understand, but I'm gonna leave these blades. I'll show you real quick. That's not it. Look, that's clean. Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and leave those blades in there for you. So all you gotta do is just change the orange one to whatever color you want. And that is a clean HUD. That is very fucking clean. So that is how you're gonna set that up. That is how you're gonna change some of the colors and pimp out your HUD. If you want to learn any more, check out my videos. Really, check out my videos. Make sure I covered everything here. But if you don't want to delve into this any deeper, just follow this one video, okay? This is all you need to do. This is it. This will set your stealth server up, okay? Covered all this. I'm not gonna. I might make some XUI videos, like examples and demonstrations in the future, because no other asshole will. I don't know if I will or not, because it's just something you gotta learn on your own. It's not exactly something I can just pull out of thin air and teach you. Like it's like the old saying goes, practice makes perfect. My videos, all they do is they just show you how to open the files, and they show you where to get them and how to edit them. That's all it shows you. The editing part, the design of it, all that is up to you. The code, as far as the code goes, everything's in there that you need for this stealth source file, okay? This video is meant for noobs, scrubs, skiddies, whatever you want to call yourselves out there, and don't want to do jack shit. Okay, this video is dedicated to you. Okay, Use my source. Don't use anything else. Use my source and follow along with everything I have in this video. I know it's like 3 hours long, and I'm sorry, but that's just how it goes. I don't know what else to tell you. And don't come to me and say, "Oh, I watched your video and I still don't get it." I'm gonna tell you to go watch it again. If you still don't get it, I'm gonna tell you I can't help you. I'm gonna straight up and say that to you. I can't help you because this goes into it. This shows you everything you need to know. Everything you need to know to set up your stealth server to get you going. All right. Well, till next time. Till next time, hope you have a good one. Hope you enjoyed it. Give me some likes. Alright, well, you can find me on Discord. Alright, peace out, guys.